just look at this thing. It is fabulous. Wow. No passenger foot peg brackets, no tail, no seat. Everything looks awesome. Hello everyone and welcome back to the NINJAof1 YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to put all the fairings back on the bike, and this is all leading up to getting an ECU flash and tune at Moore Mafia. So let me give you a quick look at what's going on and then we'll get busy. Alright, so I have all the parts laid out, all cleaned up, ready to go. I did one slight adjustment to this center tail cowl. I took off the cable retainer that went to the servo motor, and I pretty much didn't do anything else but clean it on the inside and outside. And then over here I have all the screws and bolts, and then the instructions, and of course these will be in the description, and a link to the NINJAof1 Google Drive where you can view the instructions, the tools, the parts, or you can download them. Either way, you're going to have full access to it. So with that said, let's get busy. Well, there she is, all done, all together. Everything went together perfectly. And I am so glad I got those instructions written up. I don't think I could have done it any quicker if I hadn't. But just look at this thing. It is fabulous. Wow. No passenger foot peg brackets, no tail, no seat. Everything looks awesome. Everything looks great. All right, so what I am going to do is I am going to put the passenger foot peg brackets back on, because I believe that's what Chris uses for a tie down on the dyno. But I wanted you all to see what this looks like. The other thing is when I load it up to take to Moore Mafia, I'm going to take the tail off and the seat and all that. Just these outer fairings right here. And that'll give him access to the ECU when he goes to flash it. But there she is in her glory, looking beautiful. All right, guys, so the next time I see you, we will be at Moore Mafia getting a Dyno Tune. All right, we'll see you then.